Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to disable or turn off startup apps in Windows 10. So how to do this, let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to disable or turn off startup apps in Windows 10. So how to do this, let's start. The first method is that right click on our task bar and open our task manager. After doing this tab, go to your startup, and after doing this tab, select any app which is want to disable or enable it. Like I click on is to enable it, and if you want to disable it, now select it and click on disable. Okay guys, the second method is that go to your startup menu and go to your settings of your Windows. After doing this tab, go to your apps. After doing this tab, go to your startup, and after doing this tab, you can turn off or turn on any app. After doing that, go to your back and go to your privacy. Scroll down and find out a background apps. So click on it and turn on off a background apps. So this is a way to turn on and off apps in Windows 10. So this is the second method, and the third method is that go to your startup menu and type a command run. After doing this, type a shell startup, click on a OK button. Okay, if this were method is not working, then you can next method. The next method is that in the search box type a registry editor. Go to your registry editor, right click and run as administrator. After open that, you can go to your HKey local machine, expand it, and after doing this tab, go to your software, expand it. After doing this tab, find out a Microsoft, scroll down. Now here is a Microsoft, so expand it. After doing this tab, find out a Windows. Now here is a Windows, expand it. After doing this tab, find out a current version. Now here is a current version, expand it. After doing this tab, find out our runs. Now here is a run, so select it, and if any app unwanted, delete it. Click on delete and click on OK button. After doing this tab, back it. Close this. So this is a different methods to disable or turn off a startup apps in Windows 10. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.